Welcome back to Crèche Central. Last time we walked through dropping a child off. Today we're picking up right where we left off. I'll show you how to keep parents in the loop with a class update for the whole class, then an individual daily report for one child. And we'll hop between the teacher and parent apps so you see both ends. Let's jump in. Here you'll see the parent hasn't received any child updates yet. Let's hop back to the teacher app to create our first class update. Remember, class updates are sent to all parents who have their child present in the class for the day. If a child isn't present, that parent won't receive the class update. This section is where teachers fill in the day's events, what the kids had for breakfast, lunch and snack, what time they napped, and the lesson of the day. And if something special happened, you can add it here too. Remember, none of these fields are mandatory, you fill in only what actually happened. Slowly scroll the form. Meals, breakfast, lunch, snack, nap time, lesson of the day, special event. Type a few realistic example entries as you go. Then, when the teacher taps Send Class Update, all of this is distributed to every parent who has their child present in the class that day. Now, let's hop back to the parent app to see what they received. As a parent, on your home screen, tap the second tab. That's where you'll find all your reports. You can see there's now one report received. Click it to open it fully. As it opens, you'll now see what your little one's class did for the day. Now let's head back to the teacher app. As a teacher, you can take this one step further by sharing each child's experience individually. Unlike the class update, this report goes directly to the child's own parent. If the class had more children, you'd see them all here in alphabetical order. Tap the child's profile, choose how Lee's mood was for the day, and select a star rating for their participation level. Then tap Continue. Choose whether Lee ate all their meals, some, or none, and whether he napped with the rest of the class. Tap Continue. Select all the activities he was busy with, then tap Continue. A teacher has an option to add additional notes or even add a voice note for a special touch. We will only put notes for now. You will notice I misspelled my sentence here, but that's okay for now. Click Continue. As a teacher, you can also attach a picture you took of the child during the day. Upload it and tap Continue. This final screen lets you review the details. If you are happy with the information, click Submit. Now let's head to the parent app to see what else we've received. And there you have it, Lee's mom has received Lee's individual daily report, showing the events that relate only to Lee. And that's how class updates and individual daily reports keep every parent connected to their child's day. 2 features, 1 tap away. See you in the next one. Crèche Central, built for creches, teachers, and parents.